Just before you go, Kinsey, because obviously your other area of expertise, apart from the great country of America, is our royal family. What did you make of Harry's appearance in court this week? I thought he's sort of cited, he's suing the Mirror Group newspaper company, saying that sort of 40 stories or so he thinks were obtained by illegal methods. When asked in the court, do you have any evidence for this? He said, no, that's why I'm here, which I still can't get my head round. What did you make of that strange two-day appearance in court by Prince Harry?
I think feelings are not evidence. And I think his objective is to try to change the way that media works out there. But the reality is he's just opened himself up to all of his insecurities. Now we know what really digs into him. And if he continues to drive us crazy, I mean, he's left himself open to continuous attacks. I don't think he did himself any favors, and I understand why the royal family advised him against it and why they tried to avoid those instances, because it just brings up old wounds. It feels like this is a man that's driving straight while looking in the rear view mirror. You left what you said, you told us was a toxic situation. You moved to California, you have 16 bathrooms, you live within walking distance to the beach. You've got a great life. Why can't you just be so grateful and thankful and live in the moment?
Yeah. And did you feel, I mean, I characterised this, and we don't know what the outcome of this case will be, in fairness, but he did say he had no evidence, which I thought was very strange, you know, to come to a court and say, well, have you got any evidence for any of these accusations, any of them? No, that's why I'm here. Hang on, you're here because you haven't got any evidence. This is a court. You know,
this isn't a podcast. This isn't a podcast.
Yeah, I characterised it. It's not an interview with Oprah. I characterised it as the moment, potentially, when Harry's truth, Harry and Meghan's truth, if you like, clashes with the truth.
No, that's brilliant. And, you know, I'm telling you that if my boyfriend removed a tracking device from my car, that's something I would disable it, and that's something I would hold on to for, you know, I would hold on to it for 20 years because that would be scary and I'd never know when it might come up. The fact that he would testify that he located a tracking device in his girlfriend's car but can't physically show us the tracking device, or another individual that destroyed the tracking device or anything, it's just a very weak case as far as I'm concerned, and I have watched a lot of Law and Order, Kevin.
It does. I mean, we don't know how this case is going to come out, but as I keep saying, I just can't get my head round a guy who goes into court and says, "You got any evidence?" "No, I haven't. That's why I'm here." I don't think he quite
just my sixth sense.
Yeah. I don't think he quite understands how courts of law work, but we wish him well. Kinsey, fantastic to talk to you as always. That's a great Kinsey Schofield, American correspondent, royal expert, all the way from Los Angeles.